Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to butterfly click, and yes, I'm decent at it, so I'm not bad at it. Don't worry guys who are watching who will say, "Oh, you're bad at it." I tested it out, surprisingly not that bad at it. I just don't know how to use it, and the past few times that I've tried using it, I just have sucked. Because sometimes I just suck some days, and some days I'm not sucky, and I just played like a whole bunch of games, and I got wins like plenty of times with like 4 kills each. So, I'm just gonna go over basic like how you should start it and like what you should do while jitter cooking or not jitter cooking. Sorry, stupid me. Um, Butterfly cooking, and it is really good. It's like it can get you a solid like 8 to 10 to 15 CPS depending on how much you do it. Like right now, I'm doing it. It's not that bad. Hopefully, you guys can see that. And if not, then I'll redo this video once I post this video, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, or I'll like redo it next to this. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's basically the reason it's called a butterfly click is because it looks like a butterfly flapping its wings. Whoa! And basically, all you have to do is take your 2 fingers and slowly start like this. Make sure you hear the clicks, because if you just hold it down like this, you notice how there's no clicks going on. But you have to like hear the individual clicks. I'm back on Badland today because that makes sense. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so now that we're in a game, I can show you how good it is. I mean, I don't really like this map, but it's okay. Doesn't really matter because it's good on any map. And you can see that it's getting around 5 CPS for me, but I can get up to like 8 if I really try, which is kind of sad. But you know, 8 CPS isn't bad. You are gonna wanna try to like keep your fingers here. Like get your finger if you're going to be using this for a while. If you're going to be using butterfly clicking for a while, try to get used to playing with your hands like this. Like with you're already at mid. Jeez. I haven't recorded a hand cam video in a while, so I turn off the lights. Bro, for them. Oh my god, my guy. This guy's not very smart. As you can see, he just had a major lag back. For me, it's a little bit hard to aim, but that's just because I need to practice a little more. But besides that, oh my god. Am I dumb? I think I'm dumb. Yeah. But you can see, it's pretty good. I got a pretty easy combo on that guy, and he was flying. And sadly, he lagged back a little bit. But that's, fine. Also, do you guys like my keystrokes, guys? Yeah. So as you can see, it's not bad. It's very good, actually. And, I probably should use it more, but I just don't. Because, oh no, he's going to get my guy. Nice, bro. That's nice. Alright, I just want to tell him. No, please. I swear I do not want to be fought. Ah, dang. I didn't think he was gonna fight me, but he did. Yeah. But that's okay. If I defeat this, well, if I outlast this MVP++ kid, you guys all have to drop a like or subscribe. Both, please. Because that would make me very happy. Also, I'm maybe. Actually, you know what? I'll promise something that probably isn't going to come true. It might, though. I might be doing facecam, at 100 subscribers, or, like, I don't know, whenever I feel like it. Because, you know, it's just depending on what I do. So, if my parents say it's okay, which they already, like, haven't, like, been like, oh, it sucks, weird. Hi, friend. No. I don't know why he did that. Oh, whatever, I'll let you be. Alright, that's yep. Did he have speed, or? Not sure. Clearly, I'm not doing a very good job of showing you guys the power of this, but I swear it's not bad. And you can get, pretty high. I've gotten 10 before. So it's basically the same as jitter cooking. Except for a little bit worse. and it also makes you feel very light, just saying. It might be an unusual feeling for you if you don't usually butterfly click. Yeah, you can come down here, buddy. You know? The frig are you? Yeah, goodbye. Oh wow. He like full on just... He used my tutorial from my other video on how to staircase bridge. See that? Oh my... Well, clearly I didn't outlast that MVP++ kid, so you guys can't subscribe. I'm sorry. Actually, please do. Because I'll be sad if you don't. And if you don't, I might just have to... I don't know. Not a threat. Not a threat. So this should just be gameplay and me showing you the power of this. And if anyone has any other suggestions, put them down in the comments below. Because I enjoy reading comments, and also anyone who like comments that I actually find interesting, I'll subscribe to. So if you're a small channel that I actually find interesting, then I'll probably subscribe. So yeah, if you want to promote, and don't promote, I meant like if you want to say, oh hi, blah blah blah, and I'll always check if you have a channel or not. Especially if it's a nice comment. So if you don't find this video helpful, then don't comment, because obviously no. Also, I'm probably going to mid at a bad time. Yeah, no. Ah! Dang. Alright, I wasn't sure what was going on there. I promise you it's decent, it's not bad. Graves is it, and he's insane at the game. He's like... He's like... And he can just knock you back yards. So go watch his videos that he posts every day. Totally. Hasn't posted in like 2 weeks or anything. Anything like that. Yeah. But, I always... Yeah. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Just saying, yeah. Do you guys like my thumbnails? I'm sure you do. Hi, buddy. Oh my god, nice CBS. No. Oh my god. Over here being like, I'm gonna steal your kill. I'm cool. Alright, I have to get one win, alright. And I'll probably edit most of these parts out, so. I know I just said I'll edit this part out, but still, probably not gonna wind up editing out. You can see, it's pretty easy, and it's not tiring, and it's, not that, like, it's good, too. So, if you really don't, like, if you don't like jitter clicking, or you find it hard, this is a good alternative. Mr. Frogman. What does he have? Anything? Does my guy have anything? No. He doesn't, but I got the mid, so... Hey, yo, where did you come from? Screw that one. Or kid, or drift kid, who the frick are you? Oh, this is a good map. Wondering what kit. Also, if you guys want to see more, like, fun content, like, stuff that I did with Tabby in his latest video, go subscribe to him. With us blowing crap up, then I have a good funnies that I did today with him. Like, I played with him earlier today, and I did something, and I'll show you guys it if you guys really want to. But you guys have to subscribe. Yeah, the easiest way for me to do stuff that you guys want is to subscribe, because then I will probably do it. My guy's the End Lord. Oh my god. He's got only leather armor on. He literally isn't even fighting anyone. Alright. Nice. I really thought I was about to die there. Luckily I didn't, but I kind of feel bad for that guy. He kind of just got teamed on. Not really teamed, but he got screwed over by like 2 people, so yeah. See, as you can see, I killed him pretty easily. I mean, he was kind of bamboozled from the fight that he had by like literally like 2 seconds before. No, 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 no. Frick me, am I right? Yeah, I thought I could make that. Oh, this is a good map for TNT boy. Yeah. Alright, if I can't win a game, I'm gonna cry because I was just literally on a shriek before I recorded. And I swear, the second I open recording software, I instantly just die. Great. So. Did he just jump over there? I'm naked bacon. Whoa. That rhymed. Wee. Ah. Ah, lag. Alright, that's great. Alright, I'm just gonna end the video here because there's lag. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the outro. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video today, or you found it helpful, or you guys like this and like my content, then please do subscribe or like, because either way would work. Or subscribe and like, because that's also helpful. If you guys really enjoyed the content, then share this with a buddy, right? Because then I get the multi people. If you guys are all into Minecraft, then yeah. Also, go check out Tabby. I already said that like in the last part that I just recorded there. That's okay. Again, subscribe to the Tab. He's a good YouTuber. He's posted 2 videos so far, 2 public videos at least. He's posted videos before. That's the first time I've done that part, like, fully. Anyway, yeah. Subscribe to him. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to anyone who's nice to me, too. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.